What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive co-culture channel. Today, as you can tell in the title, we're going to be checking out my newest piece of upgrade to my audio for my DSLR. I have a Canon Rebel T6i, just for reference for you guys to know. And right now, we're using it with no mic, bare bones. And as you can tell in the title, we're going to be checking out this bad boy right here, dude. We're going to be checking out the Rode Videomic Go, dude. Yeah, that's right. So as you guys may know, I've been using a cheaper mic. It's like a very inexpensive, I believe it's like 20 something dollars, not even a whole lot. So we're going to upgrade with this one. We're going to check out this one. This is going to be the unboxing, first impressions, and at a later video we will be doing a comparison between this one right here and the Trackstar mic, dude. So for now, we're going to be testing it out. So right now I'm just giving you guys the audio without any mic at all, so you can compare that to some of the next scenes. So first, we're gonna unbox it, see what's in the box. Let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. So for anybody who's just watching my channel, just started watching, this is primarily an automotive YouTube channel. So, of course, for my guys out there, they're into cars, man, and everything like that, dude, you're in the right place. Even if you're not into cars, dude, I'm entertaining. Come on, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, so this is my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate manual transmission, aka the Gen Coupe Batmobile. So for anybody who's never watched this channel before, this is the car that I primarily, me and my friends, build up and have fun with and whatnot and go on cruises. So if you're into that type of stuff, do not mix out. Hit that subscribe button right away. But let's get into the unboxing of the product in today's video, and it is this bad boy right here. So give you guys a little bit of focus, there we go. Give you guys a little bit of look at the box and everything like that. I'm gonna have to cut some of the footage. Let's cut to the next clip. Let's get it out the box. All right, you guys, so I got it out the box. It's in this piece of plastic. Let me focus. There we go. So got it out. Let's lift this out once it comes out the little box or whatever, and then carefully lift it up, and there it is. It's one thing I like right here. As you may see, other YouTubers or vloggers use this mic, and you're wondering, this piece of plastic, what it basically does is, if you ever, I don't know if you guys ever use the DSLR or whatever, if you move around a lot and you just like moving the camera and stepping and everything like that, the vibrations of your movement actually come out in the audio. It's kind of weird when you use the mic. It's happened with the Trackstar mic. That's another reason why I use a gimbal for some of my vlogs and whatnot. It keeps things smoother, but also there is like a weird, I can't explain it, audio vibration that comes from when you're moving. Because this one right here, this is the comparison piece. This is the $35 one that I've been using for the last couple years. Nothing wrong with it. It works pretty good. I just wanted to upgrade to something different. And this thing works pretty well with interviews and whatnot, because that's what type of mic it is, you know. But this one right here, this is going to be my first impressions, and I'm hoping that I actually enjoy my purchase or whatnot. So you guys are going to get a chance to experience this with me. So in order for me to give it a proper first impressions, I'm going to have to cut some clips and go into editing, and then come back and film my impression, if that makes any sense for you guys to hear it compared to this right here. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna mount this thing up. We're gonna hear what it sounds like this, and then we're gonna hear what it sounds like that, and you guys are gonna be able to basically hear the difference. So let's get into that. So this thing right here, the difference between this and the other Trackstar mic is the Trackstar mic takes one AA battery to be powered, and you have to have it turned on and off. You know what I mean? You have to have it switched on or switched off. The problem with that is sometimes, and I've done it before, I've ruined entire clips, and my friends can vouch for this because they've done the same thing with mics that are powered by batteries, that you forget to turn it on sometimes. It happens. No one's perfect, but it ruins your entire day of filming, dude, when your mic was not turned on and you had the perfect audio clip, dude. You're just like, really, dude? So the cool thing about this one that I like is it plugs into here and it plugs directly into the camera, and it uses the camera's power. You don't ever have to turn it on. You don't ever have to turn it off. You just plug it in, unplug it. And that's one of the selling points for me. I know the audio quality is pretty good. If a lot of other content creators that have been doing this longer than me actually vouch for it, they must be doing something right. And I did my research on it. For the price range, it's pretty good. Rode Mic makes a lot of different mics for different price ranges. So this one, I will see. I'll give you first impressions, and then we'll do a review comparison between the two. But for now, let's go ahead and hook this thing up. So there you go, we're all hooked in. I'm not too sure how this sounds right now, but yeah, we're gonna walk around a little bit and we're gonna talk about my 2014 Honda Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate, the Batmobile. So this is gonna be something that I'll use for the audio clip from behind, so you guys can hear what it's like from behind, dude. So this car right here, you guys check out the videos that I have a lot of extensive work done on this car. Pretty awesome things done by a friend of mine, the late great Dustin Davis, 3.8 Performance engine mods, dude. It's ridiculous. There's a whole video series for it. I'm gonna link that down in the description. I have a playlist of all the things that I've done to this car. I have a lot more coming to the car. I'm just blabbering on right now so you guys can hear the audio quality of it. So what we'll do is we'll turn it around and we'll hear the front audio quality of the mic. So these are just audio clips, audio tests, dude. And yeah, I look good on camera, dude. I like looking at myself. Yeah, but yeah, my Canon T6i has a fold-out screen, so I can actually see things. This is a good vlogging camera for you guys that are looking to start off. You guys don't have to start off with the most extravagant, most expensive cameras or whatnot. I started off this channel with a cell phone. We're gonna go ahead and cut to the next clip. I'm gonna try something different, and we'll see how it works out. So for the next part of the test, we're going to cold start the Batmobile, whatever. So earphone users beware, I'm just letting you know. But what we'll do is we're going to start it off with the mic on. We're going to cold start it. Then we're going to unplug the mic. I'm going to see if this works. So unplug the mic and plug it in so you guys can get how it sounds with the mic, without the mic, with the mic, without the mic. So we can compare the two audio clips or whatever. So let's jump into that. And there you have it. That was a small little test or whatever. Not too sure how that's gonna turn out with me unplugging the mic like that, but it will be a good test. Like I said, I have to edit all this stuff to really hear it, because I can't hear it right now, obviously, dude. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna edit up all the clips, and I'm gonna give you my final first impressions and some little things, you know. We'll see what happens when I actually go check out the actual audio clips for this entire video, and see if I can suggest this to you guys before the review. So there will be a review coming up in the next couple videos. But yeah, let's go ahead and give me a chance to check out what I recorded. Oh my god, this thing is so beautiful. Oh, I love this car. Jeez. Oh my god. Wait, what the heck? Am I recording? Oh snap, I didn't. Hey, what's up guys? Didn't know you were there. So yeah, so I got a chance to review the footage and listen to the audio and how it was sounding, and I was impressed. First impressions, I give it a thumbs up. Now this is not a review, this is a first impression. Just like I said, one thing that I do really like about this mic is the way it picks up the audio from behind, meaning when I'm vlogging and whatnot, like what I just did right there when I was talking. Didn't know you guys were there, of course. Had a moment with the car, but anyways, so I like being able to vlog having the mic pointed towards everybody else, obviously where the lens is pointed, so if someone says something you can pick it up. But I also like to add my commentary to whatever car I'm looking at in the VARs. You guys check out my content if this is the first video that you are seeing. When you unplug the mic, when I unplug the mic, you can hear all like the background noise, and it sounded hollow. That's what it sounded like to me. But then you plug in the mic and it sounds deeper, and it focuses more on the subject, which is the car's exhaust, or you know, if someone says something, it'll pick it up, you know, being able to interview people. So it's gonna be pretty awesome having fun with this mic and getting a feel for it. And then in a later video, we'll be doing a full review and comparison. It's gonna be review / comparison, this one versus the 30 something Trackstar mic. I said 20 in the beginning, but whatever, it's around 30 roughly. You can probably buy one used for 20. But yeah, we're gonna be comparing this one to that one, and yeah, that's gonna be a pretty awesome video. So if you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell, bing, to stay up to date with all of my content. For as far as the mics, I'm gonna try to help you guys out with that, with this one, inexpensive. I'm gonna put the link for this mic in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the content, but I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.